Welcome to the next-gen Auto Hub. The 2005 Toyota Yaris, second generation, arrived at a time when compact cars were beginning to take on a more significant role in global mobility. Rising fuel costs, increasing urban density, and a growing demand for efficiency created the perfect environment for a small car that could deliver practicality without compromise. Toyota responded with the second-generation Yaris, refining the formula it had already established and transforming it into a vehicle that balanced economy, reliability, and everyday usability. It was not designed to impress with power or size, but to excel quietly in the realities of daily life. From the outside, the 2005 Yaris featured a design that was approachable and friendly. Its compact dimensions made it immediately recognizable as a city-focused car, while rounded edges and smooth contours gave it a modern, aerodynamic appearance. The front end displayed large, expressive headlights that wrapped slightly around the body, creating a welcoming face. A modest grille and gently sloped hood completed the look, emphasizing efficiency and simplicity. Rather than appearing cheap or bare, the Yaris projected honesty and charm, qualities that resonated strongly with budget-conscious buyers. The side profile highlighted the Yaris' tall roofline and short overhangs, maximizing interior space within a small footprint. Large windows improved visibility and enhanced the feeling of openness inside the cabin. Depending on the market, the Yaris was offered in 3-door and 5-door hatchback configurations, as well as a sedan variant, giving buyers flexibility to suit their lifestyle. The rear design was clean and functional, with compact taillights and a practical hatch opening that made loading cargo easy. Every exterior detail reflected efficiency and thoughtful design rather than unnecessary flair. Inside, the 2005 Yaris demonstrated Toyota's expertise in intelligent packaging. Despite its small exterior, the cabin felt surprisingly spacious. The dashboard layout was simple and unconventional, featuring a centrally mounted digital instrument cluster that improved visibility and freed up space behind the steering wheel. Controls were intuitive and logically placed, allowing drivers to focus on the road. Materials were chosen for durability and ease of maintenance, ideal for a car expected to handle daily commuting and frequent use. Seating comfort exceeded expectations for a subcompact vehicle. The front seats provided adequate support for long drives, while the rear seats offered enough space for passengers or folded down to expand cargo capacity. This flexibility made the Yaris suitable for a wide range of users, from students and young professionals to small families. Storage compartments throughout the cabin added practicality, reinforcing the Yaris' role as a functional and efficient companion. Under the hood, the second-generation Yaris was powered by a range of small displacement engines, depending on the market. These engines were engineered to prioritize fuel efficiency, low emissions, and reliability. While modest in output, they delivered responsive performance well-suited to urban driving. The Yaris accelerated smoothly and maintained steady cruising speeds with ease. Paired with manual or automatic transmissions, the powertrain emphasized simplicity and longevity rather than complexity. On the road, the 2005 Yaris delivered a driving experience that was light, agile, and confidence-inspiring. Its compact size and tight turning radius made navigating narrow streets and crowded parking lots effortless. Steering was light and responsive, ideal for city driving. The suspension absorbed bumps effectively, providing a comfortable ride over uneven surfaces. At highway speeds, the Yaris remained stable and composed, proving that small cars could offer reassurance as well as efficiency. Safety was a growing priority in the compact segment, and the Yaris reflected this shift. Equipped with features such as airbags, anti-lock brakes, and a strong body structure, it provided a level of protection that exceeded expectations for its class. Toyota's emphasis on safety and reliability contributed to the Yaris' appeal, particularly among first-time buyers and families seeking dependable transportation. Beyond its technical attributes, the 2005 Yaris held cultural significance as a symbol of smart mobility. It represented a shift in attitudes, where practicality and efficiency became virtues rather than compromises. The Yaris appealed to drivers who valued simplicity, affordability, and low operating costs. It became a common sight in cities around the world, appreciated for its ability to blend seamlessly into daily routines. The Yaris also reinforced Toyota's global reputation for reliability. Owners quickly discovered that the car required minimal maintenance and delivered consistent performance over time. This dependability fostered loyalty, with many buyers choosing the Yaris as their first car and later returning to Toyota for future purchases. The second-generation model, in particular, strengthened the Yaris nameplate as a trusted choice in the compact segment. In retrospect, the 2005 Toyota Yaris second generation stands as a quiet success story. It did not rely on bold claims or dramatic styling. Instead, it focused on getting the fundamentals right: efficient engines, smart design, and reliable engineering. This approach allowed it to meet the needs of a wide range of drivers across different markets and lifestyles. Today, the Yaris is remembered as a car that understood its purpose perfectly. It offered freedom through affordability, confidence through reliability, and comfort through thoughtful design. The second-generation Yaris proved that small cars could make a big impact, shaping the future of urban transportation with intelligence and restraint. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our channel grow. See you in the next video.